I am Manish Sirvi. I am from Pali, Rajasthan, India. I want to teach people to make their own mask. If someone faces problem in buying mask, he can make his own mask. When people make my mask, it gives me immense pleasure. I feel very proud when people try out my homemade mask video.
I tried it and I am wearing my own mask.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Adam.
And we're the Crafty Couple. With every order that we ship out, we do a personalized thank you and a product QR code on the back. Usually when we send a customer a product, they don't see the love that goes into it. So with this QR feature, they get to see exactly how it was made.
This one reads, "Hi Penny, your toy box should be big enough for all your toys. Hope you enjoy it. Love, Adam and Christina." Tangi allows us to connect with people on more than just a transactional level. It allows us to achieve one of the objectives that we set out when we started this business, which is to teach and inspire others to do what we do.
Dear Rachel, this black and white photo is of my mother's parents. They divorced while my mom was young, but while they were together, they got to travel a lot as my grandfather was in the Air Force. My mother is the youngest of 4 daughters, and her and the second youngest were both on an air base in England. My grandfather was a very outdoorsy man and spent a lot of his time at his cabin on a lake up in Canada. My grandmother was a teacher, and while my mother and sisters were young, she would work effortlessly to be able to provide for them all. I would love for you to draw this picture. Thank you.
That's so pretty.
Mom and Dad.
Oh, I love it.